So next we discuss about the construction of CRT. In the last lecture we discussed about all the process of CRT. The main construction में क्या है, we discuss about all the components of CRT. The first primary component are the heated metal cathode and a control grid. The heat is supplied to the cathode by passing the current through the filament. So this way the electrons get heated up and start getting ejected out of the cathode filament. So this stream of negatively charged electrons are accelerated toward the phosphor screen by supplying a high positive voltage. This acceleration is generally produced by means of an accelerating anode. So the next component is the focusing system, which is used to force the electron beam to cover the small spot on the screen. If there will not be any focusing system, then the electrons will be scattered. Clear? अगर फोकसिंग सिस्टम नहीं होगा तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या होंगे, स्कैटर्ड हो जाएंगे, उनको कोई भी पाथ प्रोवाइड नहीं होगा. बिकॉज ऑफ देयर ओन रिपल्शन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर नेगेटिवली चार्ज, सो नेगेटिव रिपेल ईच अदर. सो देयर because of their own repulsion, and hence we would not get a sharp image of an object. So this focusing can either be by means of an electrostatic field or the magnetic field. This is the actually the CRT. Actual CRT is represented like this. This is the hardware component. So next the electron. This is the electron gun which may emit all the electrons, and these negatively electrons may create many points, and with the colored CRT they form the various color by combination of RGB, that is red, green and blue, and this process is known as the shadow mask methodology. So this is the actual image of the electron gun. Next is the CRT principle. CRT is basically work on the electron emission, that is the electrons are emitted from the cathode ray, and second one is the phosphorescence. This is an emission of the visible light when the electron beams strike the phosphor material. So next is the color CRT. This works on the same way. There are also the 3 electron guns are to be used separately for red, green and blue phosphor dots, electron beams, focusing coils, deflection coil, anode connection, mask for separating the beams for red, green and blue, phosphorus layer with red, green and blue zones, and close-up for the phosphorus coated inner side of the screen. This work on the same way, but there are the electron gun are divided, and the focusing system is also, coils are also divided for separating the beam for red, green and blue parts. So we use the various mechanisms to redraw the images with the use of CRT. In CRT, we redraw the images by using the raster scan and the random